Well, hello, a little update. Look at all the lavender. That's a white lavender, but it's getting kind of dry here with the heat. But some nice yellow flowers there. And my rosemary, what is huge. But what I really want to show you is how lovely my hedge is. First, I don't trim it enough. It's big if you compare it to everybody else in the neighborhood. And from a distance, I can't get it straight there. The entrance is getting smaller and smaller, but it's nice and wobbly, especially there. And also,